6.4 trillion. Say that. What movie was that from? Million. Yeah, well, you know, Austin Powers. Million. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
6.4
Classic.
trillion. SHIB INU's on the move. Who's doing it and why is this a big deal? We're going to cover this. As always, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and definitely check out all the content here on the ClearCryptos channel. So, Mr. Humphreys, is this a big deal that Binance is moving 6.4 trillion SHIB INU into an anonymous wallet? What's your thoughts?
Well, it's a big deal because Binance is the largest holder of SHIB. Essentially, they're basically the largest whale out there. Now, in terms of the move here, you could see it occurred 14 transactions in the last 13 hours, and they show you all the different, moves there in the bold. But I mean, here's the thing: I don't think they're moving it to sell it. I think they're moving it just to have it in different wallets. So, like some people would say, like, oh, they're moving it, to get rid of it. Not really. Usually, if somebody's looking to sell it, they're moving it from the DEX over to the centralized exchange. This is just a move from the decentralized side to the decentralized side. I think it's covering their ass a little bit because you don't want to have this much. I mean, just that number alone is like what, $79 million?
74. So, there's one.
So I mean, if you leave hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars in one wallet, that's probably not the smartest thing. You probably want to spread it out in case something happens to the one wallet. You still got some over here.
It freaks me out to move $1,000 worth of stable or anything from one wallet. Right. I'm like, what?
Right. But basically, I think it's an important video to make because some people will read this and see it and like freak out. When you should start to freak out a little bit is if the whales move from, again, like a MetaMask wallet on the DeFi side into an exchange. Yeah, that's where they're probably going to sell.
Yeah.
But in this case, it doesn't really. Yeah.
No, it's not a thing. I think there will always be a certain group of people who will see monsters in the room when there really isn't any, if you will, to whatever metaphor you want to use there. Yeah. I don't think this is a thing from that standpoint. I mean, but it is good. You know what I love about this? I love the transparency. I love that we knew they moved it, right?
Well, that's that whale. What is it? Whale Tracker and Whale Stats. They do a great job. And this is public. These are public websites.
Well, it's on the blockchain. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. But I mean, no, the website, what is it? Whale Stats? Like it's awesome. You can literally go and look at all the top 100 Ethereum whales and literally watch their moves. It's pretty cool.
It will, you will spend a lot of time doing it because I've done it. You've done it. All right. We're going to end on that. It's not a thing, but it's not a thing from the standpoint of monsters in the room. To Zach's point, Binance is not, moving this to get ready to unload it. And they are, by the way, Zach, you mentioned this, right? They are the single largest holder of SHIB.
Pretty crazy.
It's insane. All right. We will take it easy. You take it easy. We're going to go to all things ClearCryptos. I'm trying to move on. All things ClearCryptos down in the description below. Check them out. Lots of big stuff coming from them. We'll see you. Take care. Bye.